What is the minority mindset? And why following the crowd keeps you broke? Look around you. Most people are stressed about money, unhappy with their jobs, and living paycheck to paycheck. If you follow the path that everyone else is taking, where do you think you'll end up? Exactly where everyone else is. Success doesn't happen by accident. It happens by thinking differently. It's called a minority mindset. No, it's not about your skin color or where you were born. It's about the refusal to follow the herd. It's the realization that if you want what the 1% has, you have to do what the 99% won't. Today, we're breaking down the definition of a minority mindset and how you can start using it to flip the script on your life. Defining the mindset. So, what is it exactly? The minority mindset is the ability to look at a situation, whether it's the economy, a job, or a lifestyle choice, and see the opportunity that others miss because they're too busy following traditional rules. The majority is taught to go to school, get a job, buy a house you can barely afford, and spend your weekends consuming. The minority mindset says, learn a skill, build an asset, live below your means, and spend your weekends producing. It's a shift from being a consumer to being a producer. While the majority is focused on how to spend money to look rich, the minority is focused on how to use money to actually become wealthy. The two pillars of thinking differently. Pillar 1, financial literacy. The majority sees a car payment as a normal part of life. The minority mindset sees a car payment as an opportunity cost, money that could have been invested to buy back your time. You don't buy things to impress people you don't like. You buy assets that pay for your lifestyle. Pillar 2, emotional independence. This is the hardest part. You have to be okay with being wrong in the eyes of the majority. When the crowd is panic selling during a market crash, the minority mindset is buying. When everyone is buying the latest iPhone on credit, the minority mindset is holding on to their old phone and investing the difference. You have to be willing to look poor today so you can be truly wealthy tomorrow. The normal trap society has a way of making normal look attractive. It's normal to have debt. It's normal to hate your boss. It's normal to be tired all the time. But just because something is common doesn't mean it's good. The minority mindset is a filter. Every time you are faced with a choice, ask yourself, is this what the 99% would do? If the answer is yes, stop and reevaluate. The 99% are not your role models for success. They are your warning signs. The action step, flipping the switch. You don't need $1 million to start. You just need to change your why. Stop working for a paycheck and start working for freedom. Stop buying liabilities and start buying assets. It starts with one small choice, skipping that designer shirt or that expensive dinner and putting that money into your education or an investment account. That is the first step toward the 1%. The door to the minority mindset is always open, but most people are too afraid of what the crowd will think to walk through it. Will you? If you're ready to stop being normal and start being wealthy, hit that like button and subscribe. We're building a community of people who think differently.